Before starting exercise 4.4, let us discuss the example number 4 given on page number 65. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB is 4 centimeter, BC is 5 centimeter, CD is 6.5 centimeter, angle B is 105 degree and angle C is 80 degree. Now see here the construction of the quadrilaterals will be when three sides and two included angles are given, we have to construct the quadrilateral. First of all, let us draw the rough figure ABCD. This angle B is 105 degree, angle C is 80 degree and these three sides are given. In the book also you can see the construction they have done. They have taken base as BC as 5 centimeter. So same I am going to do, taking the base BC as 5 centimeter. This is B, this is C, 5 centimeter. At point B, I have to construct an angle of 105 degree. So with the help of a compass, I will construct 105. So first I will construct 90 and 120, and the bisector of 90 and 120 is 105. Again and again when you will construct these angles, you will learn also if you have forgotten how we used to construct these angles. So this is 90 degree. Again I will make a dotted line. I told you the angles with which we are taking the help of the angles that we are going to draw with the dotted line. Now the bisector of 105 is the bisector of 90 and 120, not 60. By mistake I have drawn here 60. So here 90 and 120. Now you draw the bisector. Keep here once, draw an arc and keep at 90. Draw another arc. You get the bisector. This line when you join you get 105 degree. And here you write 105 degree. Now angle C is 80 degree. So 80 degree will be drawn with the help of a protractor. So keep the protractor here. Mark an angle of 80 degree. 80 degree is not the multiple of 15, so I am drawing with the help of protractor. This is, here you write 80 degree. Now this CD is 6.5. So we will open the compass 6.5. From point C, I will swing an arc of 6.5. This point is point D. So CD 6.5 centimeter and AB is 4 centimeter. So again I will open the compass 4 centimeter. Keep at point B and swing another arc. This point is this is point A. Now I will join A and D. So this is ABCD is the required quadrilateral. This is 4 centimeter. Now after this example, there is one thing to discuss and write given on page number 66. The first question is, in the above example, first we drew BC. First we have drawn BC. Instead, what could have been the other starting point? See, we have drawn BC first. What could have been the other starting point? So if I draw AB, AB could be the other starting point. See, angle B is given 105 degree. This is given. If I start with AB, 4 centimeter. Then I draw this as 105 degree. Now from here BC is how much? 5 centimeter. I'll cut an arc of 5 centimeter, say C. Then from C, I will draw an angle of 80 degree. So from here, I will construct an angle of 80 degree. I will draw with the help. Then CD is 6.5. So from here, I'll cut an arc of 6.5 centimeter. And then I will join D and A. So the other starting point could be AB. Other starting point could be A, B. You can think of some other also. If there is, then you can try. Second question is, we use some 5 measurements to draw quadrilateral so far. Can there be different set of 5 measurements other than seen so far to draw a quadrilateral? The following problems may help you in answering the question. Now question number 2, there are 2 parts, 2 constructions are given that you have to do yourself. That will be your homework. Starting with exercise 4.4, the first question is, construct the quadrilateral DEAR DER in which side DE is 4 cm, EA is 5 cm, AR is 4.5 cm, angle E is 60 degree, angle A is 90 degree. Now you have seen in this exercise 3 sides and 2 angles are given and we have to construct a quadrilateral when three sides and two included angles. This you have to keep in mind, the angle should be included between the given side. Now here let us draw the rough figure first of all. If I draw a rough figure, I name it as like this: D, E, A, R. This is 4 centimeter, EA is 5 centimeter, AR is 4.5 centimeter. Now angle E is given 60 degree and angle A is given 90 degree. See the two, when the two angles are included between the sides, three sides and two included angles. See, these three sides are given and these two are the angles included between the given side. Then how we have to construct the figure? It is also very simple. Once we draw the rough figure, our construction becomes very easy. I am starting from this side, AE as the baseline. It is 5 centimeter from A. This is AE, 5 centimeter. So I'll write here 5 centimeter. At A I have to construct an angle of 90 degree and at E I have to construct 60 degree. So as we are constructing in previous questions, same way, 90 degree. First I am constructing at point A. First swing an arc, this is 60, this is 120, and here the bisector of 60 and 120 is 90. So I will join this, angle A I will get as 90 degree. Like this. Here you will write 90 degree. Now angle E is 60 degree. So again at point E, see all the bisectors of all the multiples of 15 we have to construct with the help of compass only. So angle E is 60 degree. So somewhere like this it will come 60 degree. I'll write here 60 degree. Now AE is 5 centimeter. This angle I have done, this angle I have done. Now AR is 4.5 centimeter. So we will open the compass 4.5 centimeter. From point A, I will cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter. This side is 4 centimeter DE. So again open the compass 4 centimeter. Keep at point E and cut an arc. Now name these arcs. This was AR. This is 4.5 centimeter and this was DE. This is 4 centimeter. Now join D and R. So this is the required quadrilateral DEAR in which three sides and two included angles are given. Now the second part of this exercise is homework. You will try yourself.